Currently, TikTok is paying creators thousands of dollars just to get a couple of thousand views. Now, right now, TikTok pays around $1 for every 1,000 views. That means if you get a video with 1 million views, you'd be making $1,000. Now, to put this in perspective, short form content is much easier to get a million views. I've had multiple videos with millions of views. I've even had a video with 16 million views. Now, obviously the video has to be over a minute long, but let's say 16 million views. That means that just from one video, you would make $16,000. Now, this can be some life-changing money. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 ways you could actually make money on TikTok. Now, let's just get into the first one. Now, the first one is the TikTok Creativity Program. Now, what is the TikTok Creativity Program? Basically, TikTok has made it creator fun where they're paying creators $1 for every 1,000 views. Now, the only thing is that you have to be 18, have 10,000 followers, and have 100,000 views in the past month. Now, there is a bunch of tutorials on YouTube. If you guys actually want me to make one, comment down below. But basically, you can get into this from any country around the world. And also, there's actually ways to get in without 10,000 followers. Now, the reason this is really good is because you can make faceless content, or you can also make content with your face. Now, the cool thing about it is in this video, I actually bought fake followers for Instagram, but you can also do this for TikTok as well. And the cool thing is that they actually cannot sense if these followers are fake or real, depending on the quality. Now, in this video, it actually worked to get me monetized on Instagram. Therefore, I think it would work to get you monetized on TikTok as well. Basically, what this means is that you can get into the creator fund right away. This is great because if you are grinding and putting hours into your work, and let's say you're not even getting that many views, just getting paid $10 for 10,000 views can make it way more worth your time. And especially if you get a video to go viral, you don't want to have to wait for your application to get accepted by TikTok. Now, the cool thing with faceless videos is that you'll still get paid the same amount. And especially with AI coming around, it just makes it way easier to actually pump out content and actually get thousands of views. Now, the cool thing with this is that you can literally make videos about anything. There's videos of people just recording them doing their jobs and making thousands of dollars per month. And I mean thousands, like tens of thousands of dollars. For example, this guy that just is in a food truck and gives people food, and people will comment about the food, will they eat it, or the people buying the food, they'll roast them and stuff like that. But this guy is probably making more money from TikTok than he is from his food truck. Now, obviously he can branch out and make videos on Instagram and YouTube, but that's for a different video. Now, the second way to make money on TikTok is actually TikTok Live. I haven't seen people talking about this a lot, but I've actually recently done a TikTok Live on my TikTok channel that I have fake followers on. And the cool thing is that I had 200 viewers at one point, and I was just gambling for them. Now, not only did I make $400 on stake in the live, but I also did get a couple of donations, making a total of $10. Now, let's imagine you make a TikTok Live where you're kind of making or asking the viewers to donate money. There's people who spend thousands of dollars on TikTok just to donate money to people. Now, this is just insane because if you do a TikTok Live of you just working or something, and then you have like a little text box that's like support the hustle, donate, and I'll shout you out or something like that, then it's kind of like Twitch where you can make actually thousands of dollars just going live. And this doesn't even account for the creator fund. So there's already 2 streams that you can make thousands of dollars with. Now, the third one is actually pretty crazy, and it's actually the TikTok affiliate program. Now, you could get into this with nothing the same way you can get into the creator fund. Basically, you just set up a VPN, buy fake followers, and you could easily get into the affiliate program. You could also set up a TikTok business account and then set up an LLC, which will cost you around $100 in the US, but this way it does cost money. Now, the cool thing about TikTok affiliate program is it isn't depending on how many views you get, but the quality of the views. So you can get 1,000 views on a video and 100 of them buy this cool product that you show. For this cool product, usually you'll get around like a 30% commission. So if the product is $100, you get 100 people to buy it. That means that you'll just make 3K right there. This could get absolutely insane with the more views you get, but the quality views that you get are way more important. Now, no one really talks about the TikTok affiliate program because for this, then you have to show your face. Now, obviously you can do videos where you don't show your face, but the thing with this is that people are much less likely to buy. I have seen videos where people just pay others to review products for them, and these videos go absolutely viral, which means that the actual TikTok account owner is making thousands of dollars. Now, if you have ever watched any of my dropshipping videos, you could also actually sell your own products on the TikTok shop. Now, it is very hard to do this because Most of the suppliers on there are from China. So basically they have the cheapest prices and they're making damn near no money. But then you can try to sell your own product. As long as it is customized, then usually people will buy it. But normally you're not going to be making profit margins on, more basic products. So if you do stick to those 3 things and really focus on TikTok, then you could actually make tens of thousands of dollars. It will be a grind, but it is worth it. Now let's say that your TikTok is starting to die. Even if you are getting bored of TikTok or you're kind of not liking posting on TikTok anymore, you could just sell your TikTok account. I've had multiple people sell their TikTok accounts in my Discord. Now beware, a lot of scammers will be selling their TikTok accounts. But if you do want a TikTok account, you can go in the Discord link down below, and I'll actually be selling a couple that are actually in the creator fund. Now obviously I will be charging kind of a lot because these are active and also they are in the creator fund already in the US as well, so they pay the most in the US. But obviously if you guys do want your own TikTok account that is already verified, just go into my Discord and I will help you guys out. There's a bunch of different ways to get into TikTok and start making money, so just keep your eyes open and subscribe to see more.